I'm going to show you the back side, the admin side of my website, bigbeninspections.com. Let me just log into my Wix account. Okay, and this is what my website design company provides me. But what I really want to do is I want to show you my traffic. Boom. Well, looks like I'm getting some traffic. Every once in a while it goes up and down and up and down. Most of them are coming directly into, a lot of them are what? Brand new. Behavior view. And this is what I wanted to show you. Like, this is analytics. If it's worth doing, it's worth measuring. Don't just do something like, well, I wonder how my website's doing. Like, where are people going? I don't know. My website design companies keep saying WordPress. If you hire Internet's vendor for website designs, you get this analytics and you can take a look. A lot of the people that come to my homepage go directly to my services and fees. Yes, that's good news. They want to know what I do for how much. That's perfect. Most people go to my homepage and it's up. And then Schedule Now is going up by 120%. That's awesome. That's how well my website is designed. I don't even have clients and everyone wants to schedule now. Actually, I get a lot of people trying to schedule through my Spectora online scheduler. It's kind of neat.